Hi guys, today we will talk about how to find network usage on your uh, WhatsApp WhatsApp app. We're going to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. All you have to do, just go up here in the CPU, click here in app, then it's going to show for you window like this. Then you just click here on settings, and you come to settings window here, and all you have to do now, so just click here on notifications. Oh, sorry, you click here on storage and data here, and it's going to take you here in this window, and you click here in network usage. Then it's going to take you here in this window, and here you will find all network usage here you have. So cause how many space it's take, or media, or Google Drive messages such as. So that's all you have to do here to control your network usage or find your network usage here. I wish you agree that's all. So just follow this ways, and it's going to work with you. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.